Good afternoon. How are you? I hope this day finds you well, as it has me. As you can see, I'm over at Walcott, out with Mr. Hewitt. We're having a tour of East Norfolk. And yeah, we're going to be having a look around Norfolk and taking our time to have a look around Norfolk. There's some beautiful spots over here. As you can see, Richard's there, on there. Yeah, so we're over at Walcott. I'll be out on the beach tomorrow afternoon. Well, tomorrow morning. But it's lovely. It's been absolutely beautiful over here. We've been here for a couple of hours. And yeah, it's fantastic. As you know, it's one of my favourite places is Walcott. But we'll be having a tour. So I'll show you a bit more around Walcott tomorrow. Let's get inside, coming inside. Traffic's a bit noisy out there. There you go. Bleeding now, let's turn that down for a start or we'll get another copyright strike. Anyway, my lovelies, yeah, as I say, we're over Walcott. It's lovely. It's not been cold over here at all. I think we're 12 or 13 degrees, which is nice. No diesel heater on, no nothing yet. Mind you, the time is ticking on. 4:05. No use looking at that clock behind me. The bleeding batteries are gone. And it says what it lacks. Anyway, I'm just having a coffee. Been to find a vape shop this morning because I'm sick and tired of buying these little bottles of vape. You get 4 for a tenner and they're no good. They're not lasting me. So I found a place. No, I'm getting this size for a tenner. Vamp fuel. Yeah, so I'm stocked up on my vape juices and my coils, and the non-smoking's going well. Oh, that coffee's nice. Anyway, loves, it's been a lovely drive over here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. If I could show you out this side of the window, if I come and sit here, I don't know if it will just go blurry on you, but yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. As you know, I do like Walcott, but we're going to have a tour. Going to have a tour all around Norfolk, all the coastline. So might go down the Yarmouth way and then work our way back up. I'm not sure. But Richard's got a nature reserve, is one of his favourite places. We're going to have a look over there. But we're going to do this over a week or so. You know, so we get the proper feel of Norfolk. I do like Norfolk, and the Broads are beautiful. Yeah, so hang about and we'll be having a look round. I hope you're all having a nice time. And listen, weekend coming up, I hope you're doing something special. I hope you're getting out and doing something, because it makes all the difference. The weather should be is looking pretty promising, but as you can see, I can lay in bed and listen to the waves. Lovely. The last place we was at, Wyndham or whatever it's called, with the Abbey, that was nice. A lovely little town centre there. And I've got a picture of the oldest pub in the country. I think it was from the 14th century. I'll stick a picture on at the end and have a look. But Wyndham was lovely. Cute little town centre. It's like stepping back in time, you know. There's no modern shop fronts. It was lovely. Anyway, I've only just jumped on to say what's going on, and I hope you're going to join me for the next part of the journey. I'm going to leave this one here, and I'll see you all very soon. And we'll get some nice shots wherever we go. All right, love you to bits. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share the videos. If you share them videos, it helps my channel out no end. And please make sure that you subscribe, because some people are coming on saying that they've been unsubscribed for me. YouTube's playing their silly bleeding games again. But yeah, just check that you're subscribed. It's free, you know that. And yeah, I'll leave this one here. So love you to bits, and I'll see you all tomorrow, bright and early, out on that beach. Ta-da for now.